Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust dock Magnification on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So if you want to you want to adjust your dock Magnification. So like this animation called is Magnification. If you want to adjust, maybe you want to make it bigger, the Magnification, or maybe less, it's very simple. So you can go to your system preferences. From system preferences, you can go to dock and menu bar. And in here, on dock and menu bar, there is an option Magnification. So if you want to adjust it minimal, you can slide to left and you can see the difference. The animation is so minimal. If you want to make it maximal, you can slide it to right and the animation will be bigger. You can see this. It's very simple, right? The icon appear to increase you scroll past. So that is how to adjust your dock Magnification on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.